In between the clouds this morning as we look there to the southeast. 57 degrees in the city. It is warm enough to kind of skip the jacket this morning. And as you can see on 9 first warning Doppler, no rain issues, which is a huge contrast from what it was like this time yesterday. Temperature-wise, we are going to make it into about the mid to low 70s today. The storm chance, though, is increasing and getting stronger the later you get into the day. What you need to see is the timing, and I've got that right now. I know it's a busy time of the morning, but come here to the TV. Everything we're seeing this morning is not severe. Those scattered showers and thunderstorms that I showed you out in western Kentucky, those will be here about 10 to noon. Not severe, but some rumbles of thunder, some quick little downpours. It's enough to just be more of a nuisance than anything. By 2 to 5 p.m., just slight rain chances out there. But we're getting ready for the new stuff to develop. The atmosphere is basically getting primed and adding energy for what comes in this evening. Now, our weather models, they're still showing a range as early as 4 or as late as 6 o'clock for these storms to develop out in central Indiana and then quickly make their way to the east. We'll be actively tracking these today, but the good news is we'll be able to see it developing in Indiana and get a head start on this before it even gets into the tri-state and then track it all the way through. But you'll notice between potentially 5 to 9, maybe even as late as 10 o'clock, a Boeing segment of storms is going to push east. Now, Boeing lines of storms typically bring in damaging wind gust potentials, some larger hail, even the threat for an isolated tornado. And as I mentioned, because that's that severe threat from the Storm Prediction Center, pretty much everybody could see that potential for a stronger storm later on today. So a breakdown of today's storm threats: wind and hail are a little higher, tornado on the lower end, but still that turning in the wind could be present in this evening's storms. Lower